Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete any project in Asana that you manage. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you, as this is a pretty simple and fairly easy method. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is open up the Asana program. After opening the application, you'll be greeted by this main page here, where you will be on the home page. On the left side of the screen, you will be seeing all the tabs that you can enter, such as the home page or your My Tasks option or your inbox and so on, so on. So, first thing we want to do is go ahead and look at the left side of the screen and find all of our projects that we have. So, let's say these are the projects that we want to see, and one of them is the one that we want to delete. So, let's say we want to delete the project called tutorial. So guys, just find the project that you want to delete and click on it. Now, as you can see, next to the name of the project, there will be 3 dots that you will be able to click. So guys, go ahead and click on those 3 dots. As you can see here guys, now this is open up an array of options where we can add your favorites and so on and so on. But the option that we want to use today is called delete project. So it's in the red letters, and make sure to only click this if you really want to delete the project. So after clicking on delete project, you will be prompted up by the screen where they will make sure and confirm that you are aware that you want to delete your project, that you are sure you want to do this. So if you are, just go ahead and click on the red delete button, and after doing that, the project will be gone from your left side of the screen and from all your projects in the Asana application. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.